Okay guys, now I'm gonna walk you inside the house. Just remember, imagine that it's actually nice. Imagine that it's really, really cool. You're gonna have to use a lot of imagination, like whatever you have in your cup, your dinner plate, apply that much. All right, here we go. Yes, the door will be replaced. I know it looks bad. Yes, I could sand it, but frankly, the amount of time it would take just to clean up this door, it still wouldn't look that great. I'm gonna get an actual nice door, because doors are important to people, especially women. If women are not happy with the door, it ain't gonna happen. All right, so where are we at? Now, Florida homes, you gotta put sealant if you're gonna paint the wood, because the bottom line is we're in hurricane territory, okay? You can see what we're doing here, what we're doing here, what we're doing here. Right? This super old light, probably gonna replace that, maybe not, I don't know, we'll see what happens. This right here, that's the garage. Okay, the garage looks like hell. That's because I have to clean it up more. All right, so now we're inside. You can see where some of the cameras are set up. see it's dusty everywhere because, you know, obviously we had to go ahead and do a lot of sanding. Over here are some really cool wood lights. Got to dust those off. Now, this whole area is interesting. It has, over here, let me show you real quick. This wall right here, that wall is made out of this weird wood. I don't know what it is. I think I found it, but I'm not sure. But the point is, it's made out of this weird wood. I wanted to paint it with a stain that would make it like kind of a bluish wood. And people said that would look horrible. And since I don't know what'll look good, it is what it is, right? I said, okay. And they're like, well, why don't you go ahead and dye it so that it looks like that beech wood, that gray wood. And I didn't know how to do that, so I looked it up. It's not that hard, so we might do that with that. This room was tough. You can see over here one of the things, we painted it originally, but because there was some metal here that was rusting along the edging, we had to put that anti-rust stuff on it, and now I'm gonna repaint basically this whole archway so that it looks clean, it's good. I might do white on the inside of the archway. Like, I think the white looks good, but I'll probably just paint this all one color and then I'll come back with the white and do 2 coats of white. So this is the main entranceway where we've been working away, trying to get everything done in a timely fashion. It's been miserable. Oh my goodness. I'm now gonna take you over to what I call the epic room. The epic room was the master bedroom. This house has the capacity, if you put a barn door over that arch, to be a 5-bedroom house. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So bottom line is that I'm gonna go ahead and show you the kitchen. The kitchen is not all put together. The microwave is still in its box. The stuff isn't balanced in this, and it's not done. And it's all dusty, but you're gonna get to see it in its very shitty form, which is good. You get to see it in its shitty form. All right, here we go.